Hello everyone, welcome to the vlog. My name is Galina and I am leaving for London in 4 days and I have not started packing. And I also need some packing essentials like a suitcase. That would be very helpful. So we are going to go to Target and other places to see if we can get started packing because it is coming up very, very soon. So we are about to head out. Yep. Hey Kiki. Hey Kiki. This is my mom's dog. She used to be my dog until I couldn't have her anymore because I got in trouble for having a puppy in my apartment. And then I gave her to my mom. Yeah, she needs a haircut. What? Is 1:27. I'm gonna try to get everything done by 4 because I still have homework. Come here, honey. Honey doesn't want to come out to play. No, he doesn't. You're so cute. There you are. I'll be back. Yeah, I'll be back. Gotta blow that out. Okay, since honey doesn't want to tell me bye, I guess we're ready to go. Hi, honey. We'll be back. Grab my oh, it was unlocked. Ugh. Totally just ran that red light, but oh no. Okay, we're here. It's like a 2-minute drive from my mom's house, so that works. Let's go get our shop on. I think I have found my luggage, and they're on sale. They're not expensive at all. They're purple, which I don't mind. See, I have a zebra suitcase, which I thought I was just gonna use as my carry-on, but I like that they match, so, and they're on sale, so like, why not? I can always take it back if I decide not to use it. I think I should ask since it's on sale. And then I got an adapter, some travel locks, some makeup bags, some travel size dry shampoo, and some shirts that I think I'll be able to wear while I'm in London. So I need maybe like 1 or 2 more pairs of pants, and I think I should be good on clothes. I was gonna get a neck pillow, but like I don't like these ones. They're like weird. Oh, but the purple does match my not really. So I think I'm gonna go to a different store to find a neck pillow because they're also like $40. I don't want to pay that much. I spent a lot more money than I thought I was going to. Like a lot more. I was gonna go shopping for some pants, but I don't know if I want to now. I think I have like 3, 4 pairs of pants. I don't know. Maybe I'll go tomorrow. I think I've spent enough money for today. Maybe. I'm tired. And it's now like 2:42, so. Oh. That's hot. That's hot water. Ugh. I think we might just go back home. think we're just gonna go back home.
Me of the wickedest stuff. Now it's tell me full attitude. And you don't let me
I made it back home with my car. I'm eating some leftover pizza from yesterday. And then there's my checked my carry-on, I believe. I should probably measure that, make sure it's small enough. But, yep. Let me finish eating my pizza and then I'll show you what all I got. I miss my honey bun so much. Beautiful so much. Okay. Why? Why are you being so cute? Don't look at my dirty clothes. What? My mom has been feeding her and she's getting fat. Aren't you? Aren't you? Okay. I'll show you what all I got at Target. So obviously I got those two. And then I got a adapter for my electronics. And I got some padlocks for my luggage, some toothbrushes on the go. I got a little travel size of contact solution. I got some luggage tags, this Downy wrinkle releaser, another SIM card. I got another charger cord because I only have one. Got some Listerine breath strip thingies, some Vaseline. I thought I would try this. It's the rosy color for rosy lips. Can't really see that. And I got a toothbrush holder, a little lint roller, a face wash, and I got, oh, this one has like a, oh, it's broken, that's why. Oh, it's broken. Not broken no more. Peanut butter. I've never really tried the Skippy peanut butter before, but it was small and cute. I thought I would get some nicer t-shirts. I like this one. This says, Stop Hammer Time. Black shirt, just a plain black shirt with some straps or whatever you call them. So got just a green basic cami with some sleeves, and then I got a purple one. It's just so, it's like silky. It has like these buttons and then it ties at the bottom. I just thought it was super cute and I love this color. So this is just like a basic tank top, high neck tank top, and then at the bottom it has a little ruche. Basic cami, pretty basic in case you haven't noticed yet. Oh yeah, and then there's the gray one. I have some homework I need to do for a summer class I'm taking before I'm studying abroad. I have like a 6,000 word paper to do, so it's not very fun. But I think I'm gonna get started on that one, and I think I'm just going to pack either on Wednesday. Yeah, I'll probably pack on Wednesday. So you'll probably see me again on Wednesday. Currently at the airport. 1:55. I think our flight is at 3:50. I got my water bottle, the neck pillow, my carry-on, all checked and ready to go. Fly across the pond.
If anybody goes on the London Eye, the big wheel that we have in London, which is very close to where you're staying, it's literally 10-minute walk from your residence. You see just how green it is. All the Royal Parks are directly in front of the London Eye. It's wonderful. Most of the trees are called London plane trees. They're special trees. The 70% here in London we have that. And they, what they do is all the pollution, they can suck it up into the bark, and then the bark falls off, so it's cleaning the air, and it doesn't affect the tree in any way. So they're used in many big cities all around the world. This is all the area we're in at the moment, is Kensington. If you look at the houses on both sides, have a look at the very top. Can you see the windows get smaller as you go up? This is for when we had very rich people who owned an entire house. Not many people own a complete house here in the centre of London anymore. They've all been divided into apartments. But the very top floor was where the servants would sleep. The rich people didn't want to walk up the stairs, so the servants had to sleep at the very top. So that's why you have the smaller windows. The room below that was where the children slept, then the parents, and then the entertaining room. So the entertaining rooms have the biggest window. They want to impress people when they came here. Here on the left we have one of our museums. This is a natural history museum. If you like your dinosaurs, then this is where you go. It's called the Cathedral of Nature, and it does look like a cathedral. You see just how impressive it is here on the left. And it's free to go in. Most of the national museums, like the British Museum, the National History Museum, the Victorian Albert Museum. If you like art and design, a bit further down this street you get to the Victorian Albert Museum, also the Science Museum. They're all free.
So love me like you do, la la, love me like you do. Love me like you do, la la, love me like you do. Touch me